Companies that rely on manual food packaging face several challenges. These include low labor efficiency, losses due to product overweight, and excessive paperwork. To address these issues, we developed the Libra software. Many employers report low labor efficiency. Libra collects data from each scale and sends it to the system in real time. Once a task is completed, the software automatically generates a report. Monitored employees tend to work faster, partly because they want to perform better compared to others. Reliable data helps identify the best workers and allows you to reassign less efficient ones to other tasks. Do you know how much money you're losing due to product overweight? The system monitors how accurately each employee weighs the product. This insight helps them focus on precision and helps you reduce losses resulting from overweight. Libra also eliminates paperwork. The software simplifies production planning by enabling the creation and queuing of multiple orders. Data is presented in a clear and accessible way for different users, making it easier to make informed decisions. Discover the full potential of Libra and see the measurable benefits of optimizing manual packaging in your company.